Se bastasse una bella canzone a convincere gli altri, si potrebbe cantarla un milione di volte. Bastasse già, non ci vorrebbe poi tanto a imparare ad amare di più. Se bastasse una vera canzone a convincere gli altri, si potrebbe cantarla più forte. Visto che sono in tanti, fosse così, non si dovrebbe lottare per farci sentire di più.
Hvala lepa, Nogrica. To je za vas. Pravijo, da te nimam rad, da tvoje solze ne gasijo moje želje. In pravijo, da boš sama na pomlad. Gram tudi kitaro. In pravijo, lažejo, ne poznajo te ljubezni, ki v meni zdaj gori. Lažejo, ne verjamem zgodbam tem, le to naj ti povem. Jaz dal ti bom vse in ostala boš v meni. Belega led, objemu modrega neba, in dal ti bom vse in ostala boš v meni. Kje so roke, Nogrica? Brez skrbi.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you. But I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Oh yeah, this is for you, Louisiana. As the snow flies on a cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto. And his mama cries. 'Cause if there's one thing she don't need, is another 100 miles to feed in the ghetto. People, don't you understand? The child is a helping hand. He wrote to be an angry man someday. People, look to you and me, and we're too blind to see. Do we simply turn our heads and look the other way? As the world turns, and a whole little boy with a runny nose plays in the streets of the cold wind blows in the ghetto. Mr. Bombastic, what's your want to some romantic, fantastic, sarcastic lover? Sugar, Mr. Lover, lover, girl, Mr. Lover, lover, oh, Mr. Lover, lover, oh, Mr. Lover, lover. She called me Mr. Bombastic, semi-bombastic. Touch me on the back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Call me fantastic. Touch me on the back, she says I'm Mr. Smooth, just like a silk, soft and hotly cut me out like a cream. I'm a lyrical lover, a technical love film. I'm a sexual physique, you know me well, Bill. Tell me, oh my, well, can't you tell? Just like a turtle coming out of my shell. Bombastic, make me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Call me fantastic. She touched me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Boom.